So when you first log into Lansweeper, you'll be able to access a list of all of the sites that you have access to. In my situation, I have selected one of my sites, and the first thing that I see here in Lansweeper is my dashboard. I have several different built-in dashboards that I have access to. Say, for example, I wanted to view my vulnerabilities dashboard. I can also set this to be my default dashboard, and that way, every time I log in, this is the dashboard that I would see. We have several different menu items here from assets, software, and users. We can also get into the risk insights to see any vulnerabilities that are going on, and also diagram out your network and create some automation and make some external connections to different applications. If you want to be able to jump around in the application and navigate maybe directly to a specific area, you can go to app.lansweeper.com and it'll take you to this site. But if you were to add on the name of your site on the end, as you can see on my screen here, this is the name. Network Discovery is the name of my site that I've created. And I can type in the word assets and hit enter. And this will take me directly to the list of my assets. This way I can maybe bookmark this particular view that I want to see, and it will take me straight to my assets. And of course, you can see the views with this unique identifier here. Maybe there's a specific view that you're looking for. I've got a specific view for asset states. And this way I can see my different asset states. I can bookmark this particular view, and it will take me straight to that. I can do the same thing when it comes to risk insights. Maybe you want to see a list of active vulnerabilities. You can take the active vulnerabilities and bookmark just maybe one section like this. And when you click into here and to see the views, it's going to take you into the basic default views. And like I demonstrated a minute ago, it's going to take you into the active vulnerabilities for here. We can also do the same thing for assets and so forth. So be able to maybe email those links around to your team or quickly navigate upon logging into your system.